Number 18, line K is defined by y equals 7x plus 1/8. Line J is perpendicular to line K in the xy plane. What is the slope of line J? They're testing your knowledge of how the slopes of two perpendicular lines relate to each other and also slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m and b are constants or numbers, and the x and y are the variables, that they just stay there as x and y. If you have a line that is in this format where it's y equals a bunch of stuff on the other side, then your m next to the x, the coefficient of the x, if it is there, is your slope, and your b is your y-intercept. So this is the number we're looking for in this problem because we need to know the slope of the first line before we can find the slope of the line that's perpendicular to it. So in our first equation for line K, 7 is the coefficient of x. So the slope of the first line, the slope of line K is 7. Well, now what about perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes. So if I had one line that had a slope of, let's say, 3/5, the line that's perpendicular to it would have the negative or opposite reciprocal. Reciprocal means you flip these two, top to bottom, bottom to top. Becomes negative 5/3. If it is just a regular number, like say 4, and you want to know the opposite reciprocal of that, you would flip it, because this is the same as 4/1, 4 divided by 1. You would flip it and change the sign so it become negative 1/4. So in this case, we have our original line has a slope of 7. 7 is the same as 7/1. So we need to flip that and change the sign. It started positive, so we're going to be negative. Flip it, it becomes 1/7, negative 1/7. And that is B. That is the slope of line J. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.